What's up, guys? Thanks for joining me again today. Daniel here from Epic D Media, and today we're going to take a look at the Freewell filters for the GoPro. Alright, stick around. Alright, if you don't know me already, you know that I really like the GoPro, and I really try to do things outside the box to make the GoPro better. Well, one of the things that I'm trying to use now is the Freewell ND filters. Now, with ND filters on a GoPro, it's really tricky. GoPros do not have a large image sensor. They don't let a lot of light in. So, trying to adjust the shutter speed to create that cinematic motion blur or natural motion blur that is associated with using ND filters is kind of tough to get. But it can still be done. So, these action cameras are great. You can use them for a lot of things. So why not get a set of ND filters so I can utilize a GoPro a little more, I don't know, different, I guess, different way. So let's look at them. All right, let's go ahead and check out what you get with the Freewell Standard Day 4-pack for the GoPro 10. These are the ND filters. As you can tell, I've already opened them, but it just had this little fancy little pull tab. I just couldn't wait to open it, so I just ripped it off. Anyways, after you rip it off, this is what's inside. So you have the case with the Freewell filters inside. You also have a little booklet with some information, documentation, kind of telling you how to use them, giving you a little bit of information if you're not really well versed on how to use ND filters. It kind of tells you, when you should use them, how to use them, how they come off, how you put them on, so on. So kind of some useful info if you're new to it. And it also includes this cleaning cloth for the lens, so that's cool. I'm glad that they included that because you could always smudge these things up just by touching them with your fingers, get fingerprints on them. These things are really great at cleaning the lens off. So cool. Glad they included that. So on to the main event. So here are the Freewell filters. They come in ND8, ND16, ND32, and also a PL filter. So what I like about this, especially the case, is that you can actually put the GoPro lens in here when you're using one of the lenses. So that's really cool. That way you don't have to worry about losing the GoPro lens or getting it scratched up if you're just leaving it laying around. It works in this case as well. So it comes with 4 filters. ND8, is going to be somewhere, you're going to use this somewhere whenever it's, not too bright outside. Probably, maybe morning time. It's going to be really hard to just give you a hard answer on when you should use the ND8. ND16 is going to be, in a little bit brighter conditions, probably, midday, or if there's a few clouds, if it's a little bit overcast, you can use the ND16. Really bright days, you should probably use the ND32. So no cloud cover, really bright outside. ND32 is really going to give you your best look and the best filter when it's really bright. The PL, the polarizing lens, that really is just for reflections. I haven't really noticed it to work really well in any other environment. So, if you're in the if you're around water, if you're around a lake, or if you're trying to film anything with reflections, then your PL filter is going to work really well. It's going to filter out those reflections on the water, and you're actually going to be able to see inside of the water a little bit, below the surface, I should say. So that's going to come in handy when you have something with harsh reflections. Even when it comes to a shiny surface like a car. If a car has a shiny surface, the paint's really shiny or whatnot, you can also use the PL filter to tone those reflections down. And that way you can actually get a clear image of the car without so many harsh reflections. But it comes ND8, ND16, ND32, and a PL filter. And there's a nice case. So I really do like that they included this hard shell case. Not going to worry about getting it damaged or dinged up or anything like that. So yeah, overall, I highly recommend the Freewell filters. Freewell does a phenomenal job on all of their filters. I have their filters on my drone. It's just a nice, affordable ND filter set, especially for the GoPro. Not just how you can take them off, put them on, really simple. So all you're gonna do is unscrew the lens off the GoPro, and then you're going to take the other lens from the ND filter pack, and you're going to screw it on clockwise until it stops. It's gonna stop, can't screw on anymore, and that's it. It sits nice and flush around the edges. It's just a really nice fit. They fit really good. They look really good, and they work well what they're made to do. So just to take it off, unscrew it counterclockwise, and take the original lens, align it back up with the slots, and twist it clockwise. Just like that, you have your original GoPro lens back on. Alright, that's it everybody. Glad you joined me today. That's all I wanted to show you for now on the Freewell ND filters for the GoPro. I'm going to be making another video a little more in-depth on me using the ND filters and doing some comparisons with the ND filter, without the ND filter. If you liked the video, please like and subscribe. And until next time, thanks everybody.